Welcome, I'm filming an HTC Desire 20 Pro, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. Now to get started, let's open up settings and then go to system, and from here we're looking for reset options and then tap on erase all data factory reset. As you can see, it gives you a message that performing this will remove your Google account, system app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos and other user data. So if there is anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before, otherwise tap on delete all data, and the process will begin. Now this will take about a minute or so, and once it's finished we should recreate it with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.